So 3 days ago, I made this video now to withdraw Bitcoin to mobile money, and they talked about this. Talked about that this way is only possible with yellow card, but I only explained and I did not show you how you can actually use yellow cards to sell and withdraw to mobile money. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually sell the Bitcoin and withdraw to mobile money. So the first step you need to do is open up the yellow card app. Okay, and this is how it's going to look like. So I'm going to click on BTC, which is Bitcoin wallet over here. Okay, and as you can see, like 20 minutes ago, I received some Bitcoin from one of these websites for any money. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and sell the Bitcoin. After selling the Bitcoin, I'm going to withdraw it to my mobile money. So let me just do that. So by the way, you can sign up with yellow card. The link will be in the description. You can as well install the app. You can find it on Google Play Store. So to do that, what I'm going to do is simply going to click on trade. Okay, when you click on trade, there will be 4 options. The first option is buy, sell, send, and receive. In this case, we've got some Bitcoin in the account, so I want to sell it. Then I'm going to click on sell Bitcoin for cash. Then I have to enter the amount. So the good part with yellow card is that everything will be in your local currency, so it will be easy to understand. So I'm going to sell all the Bitcoin I have by clicking on the max, and as you can see, I'm going to sell over about 591 kwacha worth of Bitcoin I have in this account, and I'm going to click on next. Then I have to confirm the sale of 0.001925563 BTC. That's the amount and the current price and the exchange rate for $1 to $1 to kwacha. The transaction fee is 0. Then I'm going to receive the 591.56. Then it's going to be deposited into the Zambian kwacha wallet within the same yellow card app, and I'll click on confirm. Okay, so I've sold this Bitcoin and it's successful. Then I'm going to click on done. So as you can see, in the BTC wallet now, there's completely 100 kwacha. Then in the Zambian kwacha wallet, there is 595.92 or 0.92. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the Zambian kwacha wallet. After that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on withdraw. So as you can see, the recent transaction is for 595. So let me click on withdraw. Then there are 2 ways of withdrawing, either to a bank account, which is 24 to 48 hours, or mobile money. So in this case, I think I'll go with the mobile money because it's not everyone who's got a bank account. But if you've got a bank account, it's a good idea to withdraw to your bank, and especially if you're selling a lot of Bitcoin. Like in mobile money, I think the maximum you can receive, I think, is 10,000 or 20,000. Now let us say maybe you're selling Bitcoin, maybe a lot of about let us say maybe for 50,000. So the mobile money option might not be a good idea. You might want to use the bank account to receive a lot of money if you're selling a lot. So for now, this 500 is a small amount. I'll just use the mobile money, and I'll click on mobile money over here. And now I need to enter the amount I want to withdraw. So I'm going to enter the 592, and I'm going to click on next. Then as you can see that you can only use your registered yellow card phone number for mobile money. Please contact support if you need to update it. So that's my number, those are my names. The provider is actually Airtel, not MTN. Okay, and let me click on next. Then here is the breakdown. I'm going to withdraw 592, provider is Airtel. So there's a transaction fee which is 15 kwacha. So this is a very small fee as compared to other platforms. Then I'm going to receive about 577. So this was process will take about 2 days or so. I'm okay with waiting. Then I'll click on confirm. Then before that, I need to enter my PIN to approve the withdrawal of this amount. So let me just do that. So I've entered the PIN. Let me click on confirm. Done. Okay, so they've now received the withdrawal request. So what I need to do now is simply wait for the money to reach my bank account. Okay, to reach my mobile money account. So this is it on how you actually sell Bitcoin and withdraw it to mobile money. Okay, so yeah, then if we like to deposit money into yellow card and buy Bitcoin, you simply click West and deposit. Then there's only one way. You can't deposit using mobile money. You can only deposit through bank transfer, and with bank transfer you actually transfer the money to their bank account, which is in Zambia. And depositing bank accounts, I think, is free. You don't pay anything, and it takes over about 2 days. So what you need to do is simply enter the amount to deposit. The minimum is 100, and then you click next. Okay, then again you click next. Okay, then use your unique reference quota to deposit allocated to your account. So usually when you're depositing money, depending on which way you're using to deposit, you'll be requested to enter either reference or description. Simply enter in the reference code. So the reference code is actually your phone number. So in this case, all I need to do is enter this phone number. So this is the account details you actually send the money to. It is Stanbic Bank Zambia, Yellow Card Services Limited, total amount 100. Then the description, enter your number, then they'll be able to know that this money is coming from you. Okay, so with other banks, you'll be able to transfer money to any bank account without visiting the branch. For other banks, you need to visit the branch for you to send money to a bank. So whichever way you try to work. So this is it about this video. If you learned something from it, give it a like. For now, bye. See you in the next video tomorrow.